Hi students, today I am giving some important questions of quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. General form of quadratic equation can be denoted as QE. QE is dash answer ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a is not equal to 0 and b and c can be 0 or maybe 0, and a, b, c are real numbers. Then second one, degree of quadratic equation is dash answer 2. Third one, graph of quadratic equation is dash answer parabola. Maximum number of zeros or roots. Here in quadratic equation it is called the roots. Roots of quadratic equation is dash answer 2. Number of roots may be dash comma dash 1 answer 1 or 0, that is 1 0 or no zeros. Methods of finding solution. One, factorization. Two, quadratic formula. In factorization, we can find out the answer by factorize the formula that in what we studied in a polynomial. We can do some questions of that. Then what is quadratic formula? We are going to that. Quadratic formula is dash also write what the letters hint. What the letters hint. What the letters hint. Answer in ax square plus bx plus c, a not equal to 0, x equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic formula. Here a, coefficient of x square, b, coefficient of x, and c, constant. What is discriminant? D equal to b square minus 4ac. Ninth, this is the answer. And ninth question, if d less than 0, it is write the nature of roots. Write the nature of roots. First question, if d less than 0, no real roots. No real roots. 2. If d equal to 0, 2 equal roots, or that is one root. 3. If d greater than 0, 2 distinct means different real roots. Fourth one, if d greater than or equal to 0, 2 real roots. 2 real roots. And these are the important formula in that chapter. But we want to study to make a 2-digit number, and what is the formula for finding distance, time, speed, and etc. And to change hours to minutes, and to change minutes to hours, and to change kilometer per hour to minutes, meter per second, etc. So I want to give those also. To make a 2-digit number, first take tens place and units place. If tens place is x, equal to x, and ones place or units place equal to y, then 2-digit number is 10 into tens place plus 1 into units place or ones place. 10 into tens place plus 1 into units place or ones place. That is, here number is 10x plus y. If the digits are reversed, it becomes 10y plus x. If the digits are reversed, number is equal to 10y plus x. This is very important. To change, next one, to change kilometer per hour to meter per second, multiply by 5 by 18. Multiply by 5 by 18 into by 5 by 18, that is this. And to change meter per second to kilometer per hour, multiply by 18 by 5. That is very important. Multiply by 18 by 5. To change hours to minutes. Hours to minutes, multiply by 60. To change minutes to hours, divide by 60. To change hours to second, multiply by 60 into 60. To change minutes to second, multiply by 60. Then what is the relation formula for distance, speed and time? Distance equal to speed into time. Time equal to distance by speed. Speed equal to distance by time. These are very important portions in this, and we want to use these in statement questions. So we are going to factorize find the solution of the quadratic polynomial by factorization method and quadratic formula. Then already I gave in polynomials that case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4. If you didn't see it, please click that polynomial part 2 of mine. Then in that, at the last polynomial part 1 and part 2, both are there. In second, case 1, case 2, case 3, case 4 are given. That is, if sum is positive, product is positive, those cases. Please solve the following. By factorization. First question. X square plus 8x plus 15 equal to 0. It is here. This is in those x square plus a plus b into x plus ab form. So we want to split the middle term. So we want to find out the numbers. Here product is positive 15 into this coefficient of x square 1 that is positive 15, and sum equal to coefficient of x, that is positive 8. So our numbers are positive 15 and 8, that is product is positive 15 and sum positive 8. Then numbers are positive 5 and a positive 3. Therefore here no need to split here because coefficient of x square is 1. If coefficient of x square is other than 1, then we want to split the middle term. Here we can directly write that is x plus 5 into x plus 3 equal to 0. Then x plus 5 equal to 0 or x plus 3 equal to 0. Then x equal to negative 5 or x equal to negative 3. Therefore, solution x equal to negative 5 comma negative 3, no brackets, simply you write like this, or x equal to negative 5 and x equal to negative 3, don't put in bracket, okay, be careful. Then second question, six x square minus 11x minus 10. 6x square plus 11x minus 10 equal to 0. This is another quadratic equation. We want to factorize this. For that, here product p equal to 6 into negative 10, that is negative 60, and sum is positive 11. Here product is negative and the sum is positive. If product is negative, in the two numbers, one is positive and the other is negative. And here sum is positive, then larger number is positive and smaller is negative. I gave these descriptions in my polynomial chapter. Please open that and read it and study it. Okay, positive 11. So here product 60 and find difference. So 60 is the product and the difference is 11. Then what are the numbers? Numbers are, how can we find out? You can factorize this, or we can do this 1 into 60. 60 difference is not 11. Then 2 into 30 difference is not 11. 3 into 20 difference is not 11. 4 into 15 difference is 11. So our numbers are 15 comma 4, larger positive, smaller negative. So here split the middle term because coefficient of x square is not 1. So we want to split this 6x square plus, here from these numbers with the sign, you write it. First one 15x minus 4x or plus negative 4x, both are correct, minus 10 equal to 0. Then from these two terms you take common outside, that is 3x into 2x plus 5. From these two we can take minus 2 outside, then 2x plus 5, which is equal to 0. So again from these two you take the common outside, 2x plus 5 into 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Then 2x plus 5 equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to 0 minus 5, that is equal to minus 5, or 3x equal to 0 plus 2, then x equal to 2 by 3. Therefore, 2x equal to negative 5. So, x is equal to negative 5 by 2. Therefore, solution negative 5 by 2, comma 2 by 3. Then next question, 6x square minus 19x plus 10 equal to 0. Here product 6 into positive 10, positive 6 into positive 10, that is positive 60, sum equal to negative 19. So here product is positive and sum is negative, then both numbers are negative, that is second case. So product 60 and sum is 19, so 10 into 60 is not correct. Then 15 into 4, again 15 plus 4, 19, so 15 comma 4, both are negative. So here split this, 6x square minus 15x minus 4x plus 10 equal to 0. From these two you take 3x as common, 3x into 2x minus 5 plus, from these two we can take negative 4 outside, negative 2 outside, not a negative 4. There is no 4 in 4. We can take 4 from 10. So negative 2 into 2x minus 5 equal to 0. That is common 2x minus 5. Again you take outside into 3x plus negative 2 becomes minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x minus 5 equal to 0 or 3x minus 2 equal to 0. So 2x equal to 5, or we can do like this. You complete this one part, then you go to that. 2x equal to 5, therefore x equal to 5 by 2. Or 3x equal to 0 plus 2, which is equal to 2. Therefore x equal to 2 by 3. Therefore solution 5 by 2, comma 2 by 3. Then one more case. Question number is fourth one. 6x square minus 11x minus 10 equal to 0. Here product 6 into negative 10, negative 60, sum negative 11. Product is negative, sum is negative. If product is negative, you decide that in two numbers, one is positive and the other is negative. Then we want to find out the difference of the numbers. So here product 60, difference 11. Then again we know that 15 comma 4. In that larger is negative, smaller is positive. Then here you write splitting the middle term, 6x square minus 15x plus 4x minus 10 equal to 0. From these two you take outside 3x into 2x minus 5 plus, from here you can take a 2 outside, 2 4 and 2 5s are 10, 2 into 2x minus 5. Always you think that you check that whether the brackets are same. Whether the brackets are same. If you got something wrong, if you get the signs are different, please go back and check it again quickly. Okay. Then 2x minus 5 is common. You take 2x minus 5 outside, then into 3x plus 2, which is equal to 0. 2x minus 5 equal to 0 or 3x plus 2 equal to 0. Then 2x equal to 0 plus 5, 5. Therefore x equal to x equal to 5 by 2 or 3x equal to negative 2 and x equal to negative 2 by 3. Therefore solution 5 by 2 comma negative 2 by 3. The next question is, if alpha beta are the roots of quadratic equation, Then what is alpha plus beta and alpha beta? That has already we studied in quadratic polynomial. Before that we want to do some quadratic formula, solution by quadratic formula. Okay, then we can find out this. Using quadratic formula, solve. First question, x square plus 15x plus 36 equal to 0. In those cases we do that factorization, but here quadratic formula, that is, first you check whether the quadratic equation is in standard form. Standard form means ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Sometimes in right hand side also there will be an expression, then you reduce it and transpose all the terms to left side, then we get the standard form. Check whether the given quadratic equation is in standard form. Here it is already standard form. Then a equal to 1, b equal to positive 15 and c equal to 36. Then first find d, whether it has roots or not. We want to check it. If b square minus 4ac is less than 0, no roots, and then we can write no roots. So here b square minus 4ac equal to 15 square minus 4 into 1 into 36. That is 225 minus 144. That is 81. B square minus 4ac is 81, which is greater than 0. So there are two distinct real roots. Sometimes questions will be like this. Write the nature of roots. If there exist roots, find out. Okay. Then here 81 greater than 0. Therefore, two distinct real roots. No need to write here. If they ask like that, you should write it. 81 greater than 0. Then you find out root of b square minus 4ac, which is equal to root of 81, which is equal to 9. Then write the quadratic formula. X equal to negative b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. That is, here b is positive 15. Just change its sign. Then negative 15 plus or minus 9 by 2 into 1. That's equal to negative 15 plus 9 by 2, comma, negative 15 minus 9 by 2. That is negative 6 by 2, comma, negative 24 by 2. That's equal to negative 3, comma, negative 12. Therefore, solution x equal to negative 3, negative 12. These are the answer.